Hello and welcome to our video on the power of joy. Today we'll be discussing how this emotion can affect you, both positively and negatively. Joy is a powerful emotion that can bring many benefits to our lives. It can lift our mood, improve your physical health, and even boost your productivity. When we experience joy, our brains release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. In fact, studies have shown that joyful people tend to have lower levels of stress hormone cortisol in their bodies, which can help them feel more relaxed and at ease. The feeling of joy can also boost your immune system, lower our blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. However, what happens when joy is absent in our lives? The absence of joy can lead to a number of negative effects. It can cause us to feel lonely, disconnected, and even depressed. Positive effects of joy. Let's take a closer look at some of the positive effects of joy. Firstly, joy can enhance our relationships. When we experience joy with others, it can create a deeper connection and strengthen our bonds. This can lead to increased trust and intimacy in our relationships, which will make it last longer than usual. For example, imagine you are spending time with a friend or a loved one and you both share a moment of laughter and joy. This can create a sense of mutual understanding that can bring you closer together, which will create more of those moments and you keep getting closer and closer in the bond. Secondly, joy can improve our work performance. When we are happy and joyful, we tend to be more creative and productive and focused. This can lead to a better job satisfaction and greater success in our careers. For instance, research has shown that when people experience positive emotions like joy, they tend to be more engaged and productive at work. They also tend to have better relationships with their co-workers and supervisors, which can lead to a greater job satisfaction and opportunities for advancement. But it will also increase your chances of making a new friend outside of work at your work. But it can also create friendships at work that will widen your network on your field of expertise. But it can also lead to more friendships at work. Finally, joy can help us overcome difficult situations. When we experience joy, we have a more positive outlook on life and are better equipped to deal with adversity. This can help us find solutions to problems and overcome challenges more easily. For example, imagine you are going through a difficult time in your life, such as a job loss or even a breakup. If you are able to find joy in the simple things like spending time with loved ones, taking a walk in nature, or pursuing a hobby you enjoy, you may feel more optimistic and empowered to face your challenges. But remember, doing this takes practice and will not happen immediately. Negative effects of joy. However, as with many emotions, joy can also have negative effects if not managed properly. One potential downside of joy is that it can be addictive. When we experience joy, our brains release dopamine, which is a chemical that can create a sense of pleasure and reward. Over time, we can become independent on this feeling and may struggle to find joy in the simple things in life. For example, just imagine you're shopping, you're looking for new clothes, you find an amazing sweater and you buy it, and you get a great feeling of joy when you bought it and that it's new. After a week, it starts to become less and less and less and less. And eventually it may leave you in financial problems and even more negative consequences in life. That's the problem with joy. It's addictive. Just look at a casino. How a casino works is they give you a prize very early on so that you experience joy. With the dopamine boost, you are more likely to spend more of your own money trying to get that feeling back. That is how the casino creates a gambling addiction. Another potential negative effect of joy is that it can lead to overconfidence. When we are feeling joyful, we may take risks that we wouldn't normally take. and may not consider the potential consequences of our action. Many people may remember what it's like to feel this. This is mostly common when drinking alcohol. You think of an idea and you execute it. Then you think it's a great thing. At the moment, you think it's a great idea. The next day, you realize you would never have done that if you were sober. Another example, imagine you are feeling extremely joyful after reaching a big win in your career. While it's great to celebrate, and you should, you may also be tempted to take more responsibilities or make more risky decisions that could harm your progress in the long run. Finally, joy can also be fleeting. While it can bring us great happiness in the moment, it may not last forever. This can lead to feelings of disappointment or even depression when the joy fades. For example, you are planning a big vacation with your entire family and you're extremely excited about it. You go on the trip and you're very excited, but you come back, the trip is over. You may experience a sense of disappointment and sadness as the joy of the vacation slowly starts to fade away. So, how can we make the most of the power of joy while avoiding the potential negative effects? One important step is to cultivate joy in our everyday lives. This means finding joy in simple pleasures, such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies we enjoy, or practicing gratitude for the things we have. Another important step is to be mindful of our emotions and how they can be affecting our behavior. If we notice that we are becoming addicted to the feeling of joy, or that our joy is leading us to take more risks or to make impulsive decisions, we can take steps to address these tendencies. We can also be mindful of the potential downsides of joy, such as its fleeting nature, work to build resilience. We can also be mindful of the potential downsides of joy, and work to build resilience and coping mechanisms to deal with these challenges. In conclusion, the power of joy is a wonderful thing that can bring many benefits to our lives. It can improve our relationships, boost our work performance, and help us overcome difficult situations. However, it's important to be mindful of the potential negative effects of joy and to take steps to cultivate joy in a happy and sustainable way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. We hope you have a joyful day.